In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a ChatGPT extension on your Google Chrome browser. This handy extension brings the power of ChatGPT right to your fingertips, enhancing your browsing experience with AI-assisted features. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up the Chrome Web Store. This is the go-to place for discovering and installing new extensions and themes for your Chrome browser. Simply go to your browser and type in Chrome, google.com/webstore. Once you're on the web page, you'll be greeted with a variety of options to explore. Here, we can embark on a journey to discover extensions that would suit our needs. Next, in the web store, look for the search bar at the top left corner. This is where you'll type in the specific extension you're interested in finding. In our case, type ChatGPT for Google in the search bar. By doing this, you're telling the store exactly what you're looking for, making it easier to find the right extension among the multitude available. After you've entered your search query, you'll see a list of relevant extensions appear below. Look through these results to locate the ChatGPT extension you're aiming to install. Once you find it, you're going to want to look for the option that says Add to Chrome. A simple click on this button sets the installation process in motion. A confirmation window will pop up and you'll want to proceed by selecting Add Extension. This step both downloads and installs the extension onto your browser. Installation can take a moment, so be patient as the extension is added to Chrome. Once it's done, you'll want to ensure that it's easily accessible whenever you need it. That's where our next tip comes in. To pin the extension for quick access, look to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see a puzzle icon. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu where you can see all your installed extensions. Locate your new ChatGPT extension and click on the pin icon next to it. This action makes sure that the extension is always visible right on your Chrome toolbar, allowing for quick and easy access whenever you need it. Lastly, before diving into using ChatGPT, you might need to log in. Depending on the extension, it may prompt you to enter your login credentials to start using its services. Once you're all set, you can begin utilizing ChatGPT at your convenience. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've successfully installed and set up the ChatGPT extension. Whether you're looking to help draft emails, search information more effectively, or get quick answers to burning questions, this tool is now ready to assist you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing.